Loss is not a failure. We spoke about this in a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please find the link in the description. If you don't have a better idea in business, that's good. Suppose if you have a better idea, you trust that one idea keeping hopes on it and try it and it doesn't work. It gets failed. Then you lose hopes. Instead, if you don't have a better idea, at least you will be having large list of ideas with equal importance and try one by one all of those ideas because you don't know which one is better. So you will try everything. After trying all of those ideas, when you try your all complete list of ideas, one ranks in first place for sure and it works for your business too for sure. Then your hopes are not lost. In business, there is nothing called as better ideas. It's not better ideas didn't work. It's you didn't work better on any of your ideas. One blockbuster out of 10 movies creates a superstar. That one blockbuster happened because that superstar performed other 9 flop movies too. That means he covered entire list of movies. Same way, don't seek for better ideas. Just execute all your ideas. So if you don't have any better ideas in business, that's good. Because it allows you to try all in your list. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. We try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next video on don't try to understand 100% of your upcoming business.